beautiful snowy day. Overlooking my plot here. Well, all right, we're back in New York again. We're in my little 5-acre piece that I have. I got a domain food plot. I'm in my shooting house actually, so we're just looking for a doe. Got really cold temperatures. The deer have been hitting the food plot mostly just before dark and just after daybreak, but every day I've been here, they've not come. Every day I haven't come here, they've been here. So it's a really small patch. I know they can hear me pull into the driveway. They're smart and they know I'm here, but got here early today. Yesterday I seen them run across the field from the neighbor's property. They run back and forth, both ways actually. And I caught them running into here right as I was getting ready to leave. And so I stayed about another hour after that, and they never come out into this food plot. I stayed in this little, probably 3 or 4 acre patch. And it's all goldenrod and thick brush and grown up. It's a good bedding area. But just looking to harvest a real nice doe here. Boy, if we can get a buck, it'd be a bonus, a wicked bonus. But I have no confidence of shooting a buck here, but there are a few does, which may bring a buck in, but our intent tonight is just to shoot a doe. So it is November 28th today, so the season's winding down. We've only got, I think 10 more days, I guess, of our season, so. I still haven't yet to take a deer, that's why we're hunting for doe right now. I'll hunt with a buck with a muzzleloader. But right now we're in desperate need of a real nice doe, so stick with us. Hopefully we can get one. Right there's pretty much my food plot right there. Just my target range actually. My shooting house. We got at least 4 deer come across the field into the patch here. They're gonna have to hurry up. Big doe down, right in the food plot. All right, we got one down. We'll get out and go look at her. Looks like a pretty decent doe. Right here on my own property. Kind of nice. Planted a domain food plot there earlier this year, and had a bunch of does coming out on a covert camera there, so we just put the old CVA Cascade 6.5 Creedmoor to good. We got a good one down, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, down out of my elevated blind here. I've got a Maverick right here. It's not quite ready to be used. I don't have the windows in it. See my covert camera, and look at there, got a big doe down, nice big mature doe. All right. Wow, beautiful doe. Beauty, nice big doe. All right, guys, very, very happy here. Got a nice big mature doe down here right in my, kind of my backyard here, my place of business. So put a domain food plot in. Look at they're after these turnips and stuff, all different kinds of stuff. I planted green machine in here, and it's green, and they're hitting it hard right now. It's amazing. But yeah, I wanted to take a nice mature doe. This is the first deer of the year here. Got a nice deer with the CVA Cascade 6.5 Creedmoor here with the Vortex scope on it. Deadly combination. Only shot her about 50 yards, so really, really happy. We got a good one down here, Central New York. All right, everybody, have the opportunity to take a really nice doe tonight on this food plot here. We planted a green machine domain outdoor LLC food plot, and the winter's hitting it really hard here, and it's really working out well. And I just want to say I'm real thankful here to be able to harvest this doe. I had about 6 does coming in on this covert LTE Blackhawk Wireless 21, and sending me images. So I sat in my shooting house on my rifle range. Here's where I have this food plot planted. Just a very small patch in the middle of a field out here in back of the food plot and the rifle range here, and there's just a few deer holding in it, and it worked out really well. We took a really nice doe off it tonight, so very fortunate and very thankful. So wanted to get the headlights on from the truck here to get you a little bit better look at it, but it's a nighttime hunt, and got some snow moving in, as you can see, and they were moving early this evening, and came in, gave me a shot, about 45-yard shot. Put the old CVA 6.5 Cascade Creedmoor to use.
Didn't really need the scope, but the scope helped too. It made it very nice and clear. The Vortex scope helped. So we're gonna get her processed up, tagged up here and everything. So we got a nice one down here in New York finally.